Python is a programming language. What is programming language? Can anyone? Programming language is nothing but it is a communication between humans and computers. So it is a communication between humans and computers. So in this programming language we have two types of language. One is high level language and another one is low level language. High level language and low level language. High level language. What is high level language? High level language is nothing but human understandable language. Okay, do you know languages? Human understandable languages. What we speak it is nothing but languages, right?
English.
So, what type of languages we have, like Hindi, English, like that. So, we will write code in English. So, it is directly understand to computers. So, this is known as high level languages. So, example for high level languages is Python, Java, and JavaScript. JS is nothing but JavaScript. Low level language. What is low level language? It is a machine level language. That means it converts that language what we are giving into binary codes. What is binary code? Zeros and ones are known as binary numbers. So binary numbers are zeros and ones. So low level language is nothing but machine understandable language. For this example are C and C++. Okay. Up to here, this is the introduction to programming language and the types of programming language. After that, well, we come to the Python. What is Python? It is a programming language and it is a high level language. And the syntax of Python is print. This is the main syntax of Python. So let's take an example. If we want to print my name, suppose A is equal to Rushka. So here we are giving syntax print A. So what is output? Can anyone? Rushka is the output. In this, A is known as variable. And this print A is syntax. And this is the data what we are giving to the variable. Variables are nothing but the place or the symbols where we are using to store the data. To store data we use the variables. These variables are known as identifiers too. So we have some rules to write these variables and